How to register a PayPal account in Nigeria. Go to the official PayPal website for Nigeria at paypal.com/ng. Click the sign up button to start creating your account. Choose the account types like personal for everyday transactions or business if you intend to receive payments for your business. Fill in your personal details like your full name, email, Nigerian phone number, and residential address. Make sure the information is accurate. Create a strong password and agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Link a valid Visa or MasterCard issued by a Nigerian bank to your account. Note that Vera cards don't typically work. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from PayPal. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. PayPal will make a small verification charge to your linked card. Check your card statement for a 4-digit PayPal code and enter it on PayPal to confirm your card. Once verified, your account is ready to spend payments and shop online. For receiving payments, a business account is recommended. Enable extra security features like 2FA to protect your account. Subscribe.